Hello friends, welcome to BAFNA Cars. Today again we have a Fortuner Legendary in house for the complete audio upgrade. This is the setup what we are doing. We are putting a three-way active setup in the front, a Voce component, a three-way component in the front. We are putting a Voce coaxial for the back doors. We are powering with the beautiful subwoofer, which is the best in the class. We are having an 8.9 processor. The entire processor is going to drive the entire setup. We are doing a complete two-layer damping with a high-res audio. We are using all connection audio cables for the power setup. Come, let's experience the entire range of installation. We have completed the entire tuning process. Friends, let me tell you one thing. The entire tuning process is done as per the customer's choice. So we make sure that the customer is with us when the tuning process is on, and then we do the final resetting on that setup. Come, let's experience the sound quality. So friends, hope you like the setup. Please share your views in your comment section. Stay tuned for the next. And yes, like our channel, subscribe it. Thank you.